Hey, this is Mark Nejma from Newsweed.com. I'm in the town right now that Jack Nicholson grew up in, so I guess I took the approach of looking like him today. Anyway, I'd like to talk to you about ENDPQ. This is a stock that all of our stock disappeared on, and I had said all along that the Purdue case would have tremendous relevance on this case. Now, as you know, Purdue, the old Purdue, Endo, International, hey, it's still around, very much so. And there has not been a new issuance of stock. Here's why. I've always said that the Purdue case could have some effect on this, and I think that they were waiting for this decision. And I do think that Endo International is in shock because anything that they've done in terms of settling this, I believe, has just been thrown out by the Supreme Court. Basically, the Supreme Court said that the Sackler family could not be eliminated from liability if they had not claimed bankruptcy. Well, the officers of the company are pretty much in the same situation as the Sacklers. So I think they probably did a pretty good job at getting things settled, but now they're shaking in their boots. They're scared of their own liability. So there may be some settlements on the way, particularly to shareholders, because they're looking really bad, regardless of the $2 billion settlement they made with the federal government, because things just got ugly. For one, the Justice Department made the settlement with them, but the Supreme Court overruled. Now, we have enough dissension in government right now. I think that we still have a chance of getting paid, in my opinion. America is not happy about this opioid crisis that was definitely created by pharmaceutical companies and, of course, by the addiction of America, which is pretty commonplace. So we're going to have to watch this pretty closely. But it seems to me like we are alive, folks. And if the company is smart, they better rethink their legal strategy, because I think that a lot of people are upset with them. Not only opioid victims, now the federal government has a reason, or somebody else in the federal government has a reason to make a name for themselves. And if a suit comes from the stockholders, oh, it's going to get ugly for them. This is Mark from Newsweed.com talking to you about ENDPQ. I will also be making another video on TOVX, another high-risk stock that I'm in. But I think it's pretty good news today in terms of the Supreme Court. It's good news for America because it shows the separation of the three branches, and it's good for opioid victims as well as stockholders. Thanks again. Have a great day.